Walking through the garden, what will we see? Walking through the garden, come and learn with me. Hi, my name is Miss Maz and I live in Australia. Let's do some outdoor learning. What can you hear? What can you see? I can hear some beep beep beeping close to me. I wonder what makes a beep 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 sound. Chickens! Yes, some baby chickens. Can you see the baby chickens? How many are there? That's right, there's 3. What colours can you see? Look, there's this one, a little bit grey and white, and there's this one that's black, and this one which is a golden colour, and as it gets older it will turn more brown. 3 baby chickens. They're a week old. Can you see they've got a sharp beak? They've got little eyes, very soft feathers. They've got feet with claws. They've got little wings. And they're making that beautiful little beep, beep, beep sound. Let's sing a song about chickens. Can you put your hands together to make an egg? And we're going to show it hatching. Here we go. An egg can hatch and a chicken can be born. An egg can hatch and a chicken can be born. A chicken has eyes, a beak and wings. A chicken can do many things. An egg can hatch and a chicken can be born. An egg can hatch and a chicken can be born. A chicken has feathers, claws and legs. A chicken can lay many eggs. Egg can hatch and a chicken can be born. An egg can hatch and a chicken can be born. And a chicken can be born. This egg has no chicken growing inside it. That's why we can see straight through when I hold the torch to the bottom. This egg has a chicken growing inside it. That's why it's so dark at the top and we can see that light patch at the bottom. This one is so close to hatching that it's full of baby chicken. And only if you look really closely, you can see it moving and you can see feathers and maybe even some little toes. Can you imagine this baby chicken coming out of this eggshell? It used its sharp beak to crack the egg open. And its mum was talking to it and encouraging it while it was coming out. This mother chicken has been sitting on the eggs for 21 days. She's been keeping them safe and warm. And now they're starting to hatch. Can you hear that sound? Let's see if we can see any more chicken. We're gently lifting up the mother. Look, there are more baby chickens that have hatched from their eggs. They've got their soft feathers, their little beaks, their little legs and little wings. How many chickens can you see? Can you count with me? Here we go. We've got one little baby chicken, and this one's just been born. We've got 2 and 3. 3 baby chickens. We're going to put them safely back underneath their mum so she can keep looking after them. And she's going to help them grow up so they can be nice and big and strong. And then they might lay their own eggs. See how Mum's making a new sound? That's her teaching. She's teaching the chickens how to eat. She makes a different sound and she shows them with her beak. And then they start copying her, so they can one day eat all by themselves without their mother helping them. Can you see the little chickens eating? Put them back underneath the mother chicken to keep them nice and safe and warm. What can you hear? What can you see? I see some chickens here with me. Let's count the chickens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10 chickens. They're 6 weeks old. Look at them running in the garden. There are so many different shapes and sizes and colours. Can you see brown chickens? Can you see black chickens? What are they eating? Yes, that's right. They're eating fruit. They love fruit. How many syllables are in the word chicken? Syllables are like the beats in a word. Can you clap the word chicken with me? Chicken. How many syllables was that? Let's try it again. Chicken. Did you count 2 syllables? Chicken? Yes, 2 syllables in the word chicken. Do you have a bath or a shower? This chook gets to roll in the dirt to keep clean. The dust and the dirt go into her feathers and help clean her and keep her cool. Imagine if you could roll in the dirt to keep clean as well. What sound does the word chicken start with? Say it slowly. Chicken. Could you hear that ch sound at the start of the word? How do we make that ch sound? Yes, the letters CH together make a ch sound. Ch for chicken. And in Australia, we often call them chooks. Chook and chicken. Can you hear that they both start with that ch sound? Yes, ch for chook and chicken. And also words like cheese. Thanks for walking through the garden with me. I wonder next time what we might see, what we might hear. The chickens and I would like to say goodbye, but we'll see you next time for some more outdoor learning. Can you see what Cisco's looking at? It's jumping around. It's got 2 strong legs. little paws, and it's got a long, strong tail. I think he's gone to find out what it is. You'll have to watch the next episode to find out more.